Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special cheese muffins. Take 60 grams of unsalted butter in a bowl and whisk it till it turns to a creamy consistency. Now add to the butter processed cheese and whisk it till butter and cheese combines well. Don't add mozzarella cheese, it will spoil the muffins. When cheese and butter combines well, divide 100 grams of powdered sugar into 2 parts and add one at a time. Now I'm going to add 2 whole eggs into this mixture. I'm going to divide the egg into 3 parts and add one at a time. This process makes egg binds well with the mixture. Now I will sift in all the dry ingredients to my wet mixture. Into my sieve I'm taking 95 grams of all-purpose flour, 15 grams of almond powder, 10 grams of milk powder, 2 grams of baking powder. Sift in all the dry ingredients. Using a spatula, stir it till all the dry ingredients mix well with the wet mixture. Now set this bowl aside and I will prepare cheese mixture for topping. For this I'm taking 100 grams of processed cheese in another bowl and with help of a whisk I'm mixing till cheese turns into a creamy texture. When cheese has creamy texture, add 25 grams of powdered sugar and give it a stir to combine cheese and sugar. Now to this I am adding 1 egg yolk. Mix the mixture well. For this recipe I choose cheese spread. This cheese is little bit creamy and easy to whisk. And when all the 3 ingredients combine well, take both the mixtures into icing bag. Now fill 60% of the mold with the cake mixture, which we prepared first. After filling all the molds, take topping mixture and press in the topping mixture inside the cake batter. Fill topping mixture till 80 to 85% of the cake mold or half a centimeter below the mold edge. This will give the room for muffins to expand. Now bake in preheated oven at 190 degrees for 16 to 20 minutes. Adjust the time according to your oven type. After 16 minutes, take it out and let it cool down to room temperature. I don't have any words to say, Simply delicious. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.